Geography is one of the subject in learning. It has the phases of development in the field of physical geography and human geography. So the contribution of the Greeks and Romans are very important. They are once called and today are called the father of the geography. They have focused attention to the measurement and the location of the places. The important Greek and Roman philosophers or scholars are Plato, Aristotle, Eratosthenes, Ptolemy, and Strabo. Now their main contribution are mathematical traditions, which are actually belongs to the focused on fixing the location of the places on Earth's surface. Here, the Claudius Ptolemy work in 19 AD is very important. Number 2, deductive reasoning, which start from general to the particular. This was done by Plato. 3, inductive reasoning. Now, they are actually related to the particular to the general. And here, Aristotle done a remarkable job. Now, this place actually is very important in the location of the old knowledge. Now, number 4 is the literary traditions in geography, concerned with the describing what was actually observed. And this was done by the Strabo, who was actually in 24 AD. Number 5, coined the word geography. So the first geography word was actually coined by the Greek and Roman philosophers. Number 6, the tables of latitude and longitude map projections. So the first time in the history of the geography, the Greek and Roman scholars have introduced the latitude and longitude and the network of latitude longitude for the making of the maps. And the last one, the 7th one, the topographical work. So most of the sheets which are actually not up to the mark, but they have introduced the concept of the large scale maps. Now, history of geography में जो most important geographer थे उनमें Alexander von Humboldt, Karl Ritter, Frederick Ratzel गुजरे हैं. इसमें उन्होंने जो geography में काम किया उससे related जो major area of interest था वो introduce हुआ, जिसमें the regional geography as well as physical aspect of the area. So those were introduced first time in the history of the subject. Now they have also introduced the physical and human geography. So these both branches are first time used in that era, and that was actually the modern era of geography. Now in this era, the field work was introduced, and that was actually related to the different areas of the world, especially belongs to the geographers. So the 4th one was actually the main contribution of the geographer. So they produced several books on physical geography as well as on human geography. Now the main contribution of the geographer today is, and the most modern definition of the geography is, to provide accurate, orderly and rational description and interpretation of the variable characters of the Earth's surface. So it means we have the things which are regarding the data collection. It must be very accurate, orderly, arranged and rational, means truly represented. So is a description and interpretation of the variable character of the Earth's surface.